Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'm about to have a bit of fun. I'm going to do a reverse flip, and I'm using a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I'm putting the paints onto this plastic sheet. And what I've just done is a very nice pour, and there's rather a lot of tip off from it, so I'm incorporating that as well, as you can see. So here we go, and I've already put some black on there, so I'm going to put some white on. I hope this comes up all right. And there's some paint still in here from the previous pour, which was, as I said, quite pretty. I'll just use this to scrape that out. Right, I think I've got all of that. And some silver. Very good. Good morning. My grandson's just arrived. Oh, poor man. You can squizzle past or come through there. People don't mind if you walk in front of them. The recipes for these paints and pouring mediums you'll find below, show more under this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to go across there and check that out. Join us. This is a Cobalt Blue, to which I've added some silver. I use this quite a lot. It's at the moment one of my favies, so, and I can't tell you the ratio because I don't have it. I just put the blue in and throw in some silver and just check it out, see if it's pretty. But when it dries, it has a nice little silver fleck to it, and I quite like that. Now the white. There's OGX in the blue, silver and yellow, but not in the black or the white. So here's hoping. Kind of pretty on its own. Right. Oops, there's a bit of plastic, I don't want to see that. Excuse me, be quiet. None of that, and maybe a bit more black on top if I can scratch some out. Right, that'll be good. Now, for the tell-all. See how we go. There's nothing on that one. Nice and new. Oh, I can feel it scratching underneath. Well, you're going to know it's my painting. It's got my fingerprints on it. Nice colours coming out. I think I might just about have it. And then put them up into that corner. And we shall see. Oh, goodness. What a beauty. Okay, so excuse me, the edges. And this edge needs to be yep. Oh, not that one. Bunk, bunk, bunk. And I have all the edges except that one little spot there. This is really, really pretty. Just going to, oops, there's a spot I can see. Okay, I think I've got it all. Just let that run down a little bit and then I'll torch it. Piece I just put on. It's rather pretty. I'm just letting it come down a bit further. Okay, and then back, I think. So that is really pretty. What I might do here is put that fellow here and see if I can do this. Never know your luck in a big city. This just might give me another nice one because it's really, really pretty. And do I have any scratch of white on the top? No. Scratch of blue. I think I just about cleaned them out pretty good. Come on out. Bit more silver maybe. No. And what have we got in here? A mixture of colours. Very good. So that's my lot. And I'll just grab a record. So this is a record pour. Sorry. And around you go. Let's see what we get. Hopefully it's not too muddy. Oh, ghosts. You know, that's quite nice. Okay, I'm going to leave that here while I get some paper. And just cover this a bit. Okay, so there you go, people. This one's quite pretty. So I'm just going to wash my hands off and then I'm going to torch them. And, oh, I like that. Alright, so it won't be a second, I'll just go scrub and rub. Alright, so they're both very pretty, and I'll bring you down to take a look. Winston, please. You'll find a link to my Facebook group down below under the video, under show more. This is the record. How pretty is that? It's really cool. I turn these into clocks. Of course, some people just buy them to put on the wall because they like the roundness, circles. Depends what you like. This one will be very pretty on the wall, as you can see. And then there's this bloke, the actual painting, and he's really pretty. I'm glad the yellow came up as nicely as it did. Sometimes I just lose the yellow. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. And please give this one the thumbs up. I do, excuse me, I do appreciate the thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.